Imagine you're a budding entrepreneur, just starting your online store. You've got the products, the website, and the marketing plan. But there's one crucial question that keeps you up at night. How many people are actually using platforms like Spocket? We've all heard of the big players in e-commerce, but what about the lesser-known ones? Platforms like Spocket, which promise to streamline the dropshipping process. But are they worth the hype? And most importantly, how many people are actually using them? Before we dive into the numbers, let's take a quick look at what Spocket is. It's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world, allowing you to sell their products without ever having to stock them yourself. It's a popular choice for those who want to start an online business with minimal upfront investment. The mystery of Spocket's user base. Now, the burning question, how many people are using Spocket? Unfortunately, the company doesn't publicly disclose its user base. It's a common practice among many tech companies to keep their user numbers under wraps, likely for strategic reasons. Estimating Spocket's user base. While we can't get the exact number, we can make some educated guesses. One way to do this is to look at the platform's growth and popularity. Based on factors like website traffic, social media engagement, and online discussions, it seems that Spocket has a significant user base. Another approach is to look at the success stories of Spocket users. There are countless examples of entrepreneurs who have built thriving businesses using the platform. These case studies provide strong evidence that Spocket is being used by a large number of people. Comparing Spocket to competitors. To get a better sense of Spocket's user base, we can compare it to similar platforms. For example, Oberlo, another popular dropshipping platform, has publicly stated that it has millions of active users. While Spocket may not have reached the same level of scale, it's likely that its user base is comparable. The importance of user base. Why does it matter how many people are using Spocket? Well, a larger user base means a more vibrant community. It also means a greater likelihood of finding the products and suppliers you need. Additionally, a large user base can indicate that the platform is reliable and trustworthy. So, while we may not have a definitive answer to the question how many people use Spocket, we can confidently say that the platform has a significant user base. And that's good news for anyone considering using it to start their own online business. Ultimately, the most important factor is whether Spocket meets your specific needs. If you're looking for a reliable platform to streamline your dropshipping process, it's definitely worth considering. Call to action. Want to learn more about Spocket? Check out the link in the description below to sign up and start exploring the platform for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.